In this video, I show you how to log in to another Instagram account without the password. So if you forgot the password for your extra Instagram account, what you can do is just click on these three lines on your profile and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on add account. From here, just click on login to existing account. And first of all, it will ask you automatically for the other account suggestion. So if this is it, you can just continue and it will simply log in. But if you don't have this information saved on your phone, what you can click on is use another profile, or it will directly take you to this area. And from here, you must remember a username, email, or mobile number that was associated with that particular Instagram account. And after entering that, click on forgot password. Now, once you do that, it will open up this area where it asks you for the username or email confirmation. So I'll just quickly enter the email that was associated with it and click on continue. It will again show you some of the options. You can use any one of them. I want to receive the code via email. Click on continue. And there we have this enter code option. In some time, you will receive the code on your email and you can use that particular code. What you can also do is, if you're unable to receive the code, you can get the code via Instagram notification panel. So if you're logged into this device before or any other device, it will show you a prompt on the notification. So click on continue. Let's try this. And after entering that, we are back on our profile. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more about Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.